Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix repost option not showing on Instagram. To do this, tap on Reels icon and repost some videos. After repost some videos, go back and go to phone settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. And now search for Instagram. Scroll down and tap on storage. Delete the cache file. Do not delete your data if you don't remember your user ID and password. After that, go back and go to your Play Store. Search for Instagram. Update your Instagram if it's available. Open it and now tap on your profile icon. Now you can see your repost option here. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.